Welcome! In this video, I'll briefly explain the filters available on our website to help you find what you're looking for more easily. Let's get started! We offer a convenient filter that lets you search for properties based on their type, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're interested in apartments, houses, or commercial spaces, this feature narrows down your options. You can easily set a minimum and maximum price to view only the listings based on your desired price range. If you're looking to filter properties by the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, use this option to set your specific criteria. This feature allows you to tailor your search to match your preferred number of beds and baths. With this option, you can search for properties based on specific features. We provide a variety of features to choose from, making it easier to find properties that meet your needs. Simply select the features that matter most to you to narrow down your search. We offer an option to search for properties based on whether they are available for sale or rent. You can easily filter the listings by selecting your preferred option. This allows you to focus on the properties that best meet your needs, whether you're looking to buy or rent. Thank you for watching.